Kids, I'm here again with another video from your social studies textbook. Now children, till today we have covered chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us start with revision for each. Today I have come with the revision for chapter number 2, how our earth looks. We'll do the same by solving the textual exercise. Now children, do you remember what did we learn in this chapter before? We learned about the globe, maps, oceans, continents and the directions, right? Now let us start with the exercise. Now, read the first question. Tick the correct answer. The first one. The largest ocean is A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean. Now, which is the smallest ocean on the Earth's surface? It's the Arctic Ocean. The second one. A book of maps is called a or an dash. A. Atlas, B. Dictionary, C. Album. It's A. Atlas. The third one. The shape of the globe is dash. A. Round, B. Square, C. Oval. It's A. Round. You remember children, I had told you a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, he sailed around the earth and he reached at the same point and it was practically proven that the earth is not flat and it is round in shape. Okay. The fourth one. Water bodies on a map are shown in the dash. A. Black color, B. Blue color, C. Green color. It is B. Blue color. The fifth one. The smallest continent is dash. A. Africa, B. Australia, C. Europe. It is B. Australia. And the largest continent is Asia. Okay. Now let us move forward. Write T for true and F for false statements. You have to mention whether the statements are true or false. The first one. A globe is a drawing of the earth. Is it true or false? It is false. Why? Because a globe is a model of the earth and the drawing of the earth is called a map. Okay. The second one. A map is the model of the earth. Is it true or false? It is false. What is the model of the earth called? Globe, right? And map is the drawing of the earth. The third one. Oceans are huge water bodies. Is it true or false? It is true. The fourth one. There are 8 continents in the world. Is it true or false? It is false. How many continents do we have on the earth's surface? 7. Now, there are 4 directions. Is it true or false? It is true. And which are they? East, west, north and south. Right? Now, the next section is answer the questions. The first question. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. Now, something which replicates the earth, something which exactly looks like the earth, the model of the earth is called a globe. Can you see the picture of the globe here, children? The blue colored area is the water bodies and the colored regions are the continents. Okay. Now, let us move forward with the second question. What is a map? A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Can you see the picture of the map here, children? It's the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. The globe is round and the map is on a flat surface. Okay. And a part of it means there are several maps, children, in several sizes. There are world map, there are wall maps, there are maps of various countries. We have the Indian map, you remember? So, the part of the earth's surface or a drawing of the whole earth is called a map. Okay. Now, what is the difference between ocean and a continent? The first one. A large water body is called an ocean. A very large water body is called an ocean. Now, children, the water which we have on the earth's surface is the ocean and the land which we have is the continent. Read the point for the continent. A very large area of land on the earth is called continent. The second point. There are 5 oceans and there are 7 continents. And which are the 5 oceans we have? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific is the largest ocean and Arctic is the smallest ocean. And the 7 continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Which is the largest continent we have? It is Asia and the smallest is Australia. Okay. Now, the third point. 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% of the earth is covered with land. So, 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered in water, that are the ocean, and the rest 1/4 is covered in land, which we have that are called the continents. Okay. Now, which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. The fifth one. Do you think that our earth is a beautiful place? If yes, write 3 ways in which we can protect our earth. So, is our earth a beautiful place, children? Yes, our earth is a beautiful place. And we can protect our earth by growing more trees. Why should we grow more trees? Because through trees we get oxygen. So by growing more trees we can reduce deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off trees. If we cut all the trees, can we get more of fresh oxygen? No, right? So we must grow more trees. Now, B, reducing usage of plastic. Why? Because the production of plastic takes more resources and it takes more of energy, which emits carbon, and it causes global warming. Now, what is global warming, children? The change in temperature on the earth's surface is called global warming, which is not good. Now, C, reducing pollution. Why reducing pollution? Because if there is pollution on the earth's surface, we'll not get fresh oxygen, and we need oxygen to breathe, right? And due to pollution, we human beings have various health issues. They can have lung problems, they can have breathing problems. That is why to reduce pollution. Okay. Now, let us move forward with D. Match the following. You have to match with the pictures over here. Now, the first one is atlas. Which is the atlas over here? The second picture, right? The globe. The first one, compass, the last one, and the world map is the third picture. I hope you understood. Now, children, this is it with the textual exercise. Now, let us do some exercise. Okay? Now, life skills. First one, everybody stand up. Now, stand facing towards the sun in the morning. In the morning, you stand and you face the sun. And in the morning, where does the sun rise? It rises in the east, right? So which direction will you be facing? The east. So the answer for the first question will be east. Which direction are you facing? The east direction. Okay, I'll write E for east. Now, which direction is towards your left hand? If you're facing east, on your left hand side will be north. Okay. Now, which direction lies towards your right hand? If your left is north, your right will be always south. Okay. Now, which direction is at your back? If you are facing the east, at your back it will always be west. Okay. Now, let us do another exercise. Hold a compass straight in your hand. Now you are facing the north direction. Do you remember, children, I had told you the needle of the compass always faces the north direction. So if you are holding the compass, the needle will always face the north. Okay. So if you are facing north, on your left will be west. Which direction will you be on your left? It will be west. Okay. And which direction will be on your right? On your right hand side will be east. And which direction will be behind you? Behind it will be south. Okay. Now, children, I hope you enjoyed the exercise. You are thoroughly aware of the chapter. You enjoyed the revision now. So, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy learning. Thank you.